Good morning, everyone, and I am James Russell A. Prito, and I am from Biciclet YouTube. And ito ang aking reflection video about sa speech-to-text and text-to-speech tool. So, ano nga ba ang speech-to-text and text-to-speech tool? Basically, it's just a tool that is used in converting the spoken words into written text. Yeah, ganun lang siya. But so, in this reflection video, basically I'm going to answering some questions regarding to this tool. So, without further ado, let's proceed. So, for the first question, how do these tools be able to help me in my workplace or school? So, since ako ay isang college student, I'll be more focusing in a school scenario. So, makakatulong tong speech-to-text or text-to-speech in school, basically in taking notes no, during class. Since since during discussion, hindi natin maiwasang basically during discussion, you have to listen to your prof attentively. So you don't if you have to listen attentively, you don't have any time to take notes during your class. So the use of this tool bridge the gaps, no? Since hindi ka makapagsulat ng notes, the speech to text will help you do this for you. Same in the terms like habang nagsasalita yung prof, you can actually just listen and the speech to text tool will do the work. With this, it will be more time efficient and hindi ka basta-basta mali-distract during the class. This tool can be used either online during an online class or even in face-to-face class, no? So that's how this tool can be able to help me during in school. So for the next is, what do you think is the business value of these two tools? In pagdating sa business value, in my opinion, basically it will help in increasing the efficiency, accessibility, probably the bettering the communication. Those three. So in terms of efficiency, this will help the employees in saving more time in terms of during report or meeting. Since pagdating kasi sa meeting, hindi natin maiwasan na medyo mahaba yung discussion. So with the help of the speech to text, it can help turn the spoken words into text, just like that told you earlier. And with that, you can actually point out the important informations during the meeting. So which is very time saving. Hindi mo na kailangan intindihin yung buong meeting, something like that. You can just take notes. Actually, you can just highlight the important information. Ganun din sa text-to-speech. Pinakaiba lang in terms of documentation. Kung meron mga documentation na pinaiikot sa inyo in the workplace, you can just convert it into spoken words. Since kunyari, in workplace, you have marami kang gawain, you have many workload, and you don't have time to read such long documents, no? You can just turn that document into a speech and listen to it while doing your work, and which is very efficient. So pagdating sa accessibility na, probably this will make actually pagdating sa accessibility, this will help specific people, no? Those specific people probably who are having a hard time in probably kasi meron kasing mga taong nahihirap. Example, meron kasing mga taong nahihirapang magbasa, vice versa, o vice versa. Merong taong nahihirapang magbasa, meron din taong nahihirapang makinig. So, with this, with the help of this tool, makakatulong to sa mga people na medyo may disability no, pagdating sa ganong bagay. Kunyari, nahihirapan silang makinig, they can use the speech to text, which is instead na makikinig sila, pwede na lang basahin yung mga informations during the meeting. Ganun din sa mga taong nahihirapang magbasa or yung dyslexic something ganun. They can turn the text since nahirapan silang basahin into speech, which is pakikinggan nilang nila, which is very accessible. So for the last is for communication, no? STP and TDS and will help for better communications, no? Since hindi lang siya yung pang-convert ng mga speech and text. You can just use it for actually anong term for saving the whole conversation or whatever na pinag-usapan nyo into a text or into a speech, no? Para siyang log ng mga pwede siyang mag-log, para siyang log ganun, which will help for bettering the communication since pwede lang tingnan yung mga pinag-usapan doon or something like that, which will help mga pinag-usapan doon, which is will help them to see the things that yung para makita na yung mga pinag-usapan doon, no? Kung ano nasabi dyan during that time, ganyan. And during that time, pwede rin silang makapag-decide, no? For kung anong dapat gagawin dun sa mga bagay na yun na pinag-usapan dun. Which is for making the communication more better. Since kapag merong better communication, there will also be making easy decisions. So those are the three things there is the value of the use of these tools, no, in business value. Ano yung value nga pagdating sa business para sa akin? Increase efficiency, accessibility, and better communication in the workplace. So, yun lang ang aking reflection video ko about the use of speech to text and text to speech. Peace out.